Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the linen catcher or linen filter on your LG Smart Dryer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your LG Smart Dryer just because you moved into a new home, or maybe you're at an Airbnb and you're wondering how to replace the linen catcher or filter. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to find the linen catcher or filter, all you've got to do is open up the dryer. And then if you look down over here and pull this right here is actually going to be your linen filter. So this is where you're actually going to go ahead and throw all the linen that's been caught. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to replace or clean out your linen filter on your LG Smart Dryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.